Hey, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels. All right. So I did see that there's quite a bit of back and forth between you and some of the other agents. Apologize for all that frustrating wait time and all that. But here you go. So let's go ahead and get into this. Here I'm in your funnel. I'm in your opt-in page, your step two, um, where you have your integration of your web form, right? So let's just back up here for a second. Right. So you're here, and then you're going to come here. So one thing I did notice, I did go through each line of code to make sure it was correct. One thing you don't have done is this right here. So as you see here, this is the first name field that needs to be synced. So basically what you're doing here is this is synchronizing the code here for the first name to your box, right? To your opt-in forms here, right? So you got your name and your email, right? So you're using the actual HTML form in the background here, the code here, right? So just the one thing you forgot to do here is you need to just synchronize both of these. All right. So here you're gonna pick the first name. I can't do that for you. So and then here you're gonna select the email. All right. And then you're gonna go ahead and parse and save web form. All right. And I always just go ahead and come up here and click save, just for good measure. All right, and then from there, I would retest your form in a live version. And again, I don't know if anyone has mentioned this to you at all. What we typically do whenever we're testing web forms or any of your pages, we use an incognito window, and that's just going to bypass any of the data from any of the previous pages or tests or any of that stuff. So real quick, just I would go through and just clear your browsing data real quick. That way, none of the stuff from the other tests may be lingering in the background. Okay. So go through this, go to your upper right vertical dots here, go to more tools, go ahead and clear your browsing data. If you've never done it, just do select all time. If you've done it, I don't know, within the last month or so, just go ahead and make another selection of time, 7 days, 24 hours, whatever you'd like. All right. So once you do that, I would log completely out of your ClickFunnels account. Okay, log out and then open a new window. All right, and then you're going to come to the same spot up here, the vertical dots, and open a new incognito window. It's going to look like this. This is going to bypass all that temporary data, but it's good to clear your browsing data first and then take this step, right? It's just kind of two simple actions that just ensure you're going to have a clean slate. Okay. All right. So once you're here, go ahead and log back into your ClickFunnels account, and then come back to your funnel, and then go ahead and give it a retest. All right. And I'd say from here forward, anytime you want to test your funnel, do it in an incognito window. It's going to save you a lot of headaches. All right. And then I would suggest if you're on your computer all the time, I would clear your browsing data at least once a week. All right, I'll send you a little file here as well, tutorial for clearing your browsing data in your operating system, your computer's temporary files. Okay. All right. Thanks. Let me know if that helps.